If the adventurer in you is looking to get out to amazing places like this, then sooner or later you're going to need to recover yourself, or more than likely, one of your mates. That's where the CAOS recovery kits become an important part of your off-roading equipment. CAOS have 2 recovery kit sizes that come in this heavy-duty bag to cover small, medium and large vehicles. The small recovery kit comes with this 8-tonne snatch strap, this 10-tonne strap which can be used as a tree trunk protector, extension strap, or even an equaliser. And for those that don't know what an equaliser is, it's a strap that can be used between 2 recovery points at the front or the rear of a vehicle, and it just equalises the load back to the chassis. The kit also comes with these 2 rated bow shackles, a recovery dampener, and this tactical fold-away shovel. And to keep your hands safe, every kit comes with a pair of recovery gloves, and of course, recovery is a thirsty work, so you also get this CAOS stubby cooler. You might think, what's the difference between the small kit and the large kit? The small kit is designed to suit most vehicles, but CAOS have introduced a large kit, which is designed to cater for people with heavier vehicles or towing caravans and camper trailers. Well, every large recovery kit comes with this 11-tonne snatch strap. Personally, this is the one I use, the larger kit. If I'm out recovering my mates in smaller vehicles, I'm happy to use the 8-tonne. But I do have friends with caravans and who knows what they're going to get themselves into, so that's where I tend to use this larger 11-tonne snatch strap. There's plenty more room in this recovery bag, so if you're into winching or you need to have a look at some of the other recovery options CAOS have to offer, jump onto the website at caos.com.au.